In this video we're going to use the Arduino IDE to program the Cytron Maker Pi Rp2040 board. We're going to use this Github page to download the information we need for the Arduino board manager. If you scroll down this page you'll see a link that you have to copy into the preferences of the Arduino IDE. Once you've done that, it will give you access to a lot of Raspberry Pi Pico boards that you can use. The link we require to copy and paste into your Arduino IDE is this one here. It shows you exactly where you have to put it and explains it, but I will show you in the next bit of the video. So in the Arduino IDE, we need to go to File, Preferences, and in this box here is where you add your JSON files for the different boards that you want to use within the Arduino IDE. Here you can see I've got two files. One is for an ESP32 and the other is that link. So we copy and paste that link into here. Then we click on OK, click on OK again. Then we can go to the Tools and we can go to the Board Manager. You would have to then install the Pico this file here. Once you've installed that, you will see all the other items that I am showing you in this list. So under the Raspberry Pi, you can see here now I have a large list of different boards that are now available to us to program using the Arduino IDE. The code we're going to use is based around the standard link example that you find here, but I have modified it slightly because I need to use different pin numbers for the GP pins on the Cytron Maker Pi. On this example I'm going to use the variable constant int LED1, which is on pin 28. I've set a constant int variable timer 1, 1000. I then use the pin mode and set that up LED1 as an output. We then go into the void loop, and as per normal it's digital write LED1 high, delay for the timer 1 value, then it will digital write LED1 low, delay again the timer 1 value, and it will then continue on within that loop forever unless the Raspberry Pi is turned off. And that is how simple it is to be able to get your code ready for uploading onto the Raspberry Pi Pico. Before we can upload it, we first need to make sure we have our COM port set up correctly. Now in my case the COM port is COM12, so this now is ready for me to do the compiling. Obviously when we compile, this may take a few seconds for it to run through the code and make sure it's okay, depending on whether you've run the compiler before on this code or not. And as you can see here, we've got 2% program storage space used and 2% of dynamic memory used. To upload the code, we click on the right arrow. This will then quickly run through the compile. Once it's been compiled, you will then need to have your Pico ready for the upload. To be able to upload the code, you first need to press the boot button, turn off the board, turn back on the board, release the button. And here you can see it's now uploaded it to the board and our LED on the board is now flashing. I have also connected the extra LED so you can see the onboard LED is flashing and also the external LED.